Baby, what you wanna know? Let the story unfold. Throw yourself another bay leaf in the gumbo. Yeah, you gotta keep in mind who we are, where we came from. Mother Earth, new birth. Yeah. Baby, what you wanna know? Let the story unfold. Throw yourself another bay leaf in the gumbo. Yeah, no matter what the world tell you, you from God. Yeah, Mother Earth, new birth, fire. Yeah, I had to learn as well. Heaven and hell is diet, the math, science, and spiritual sun guidance. How I feel to be unbiased, loving everything from the wing, the sun-guided seas, to the trees, to the birds, to the bees, to the yous and the me's. I remember one thing, my mama told me breathe. I gave you everything you need. My only vibe is masterminding the time, activating the sign like traffic technician with rhymes, multiplying my game. I just took my mother's hands and departed the flames, and dropped the potion once I noticed that we one and the same. The glass shattered and tattered my skin, rather my pen. I then dug a little deeper, finding out I'm a gem, insurmountable grim, but I control the mind, reminded I'm him. I faith heal cause it matters to me. A dad of Ruby, not a saint, but aspired to be. A sound Nubian coach, a descendant of the lamb, I ain't going for goat. Glorified giants till I met like sinners. Saw the very same talents when I met my niggas, regret it. We all gifted, gotta find your box. Jump on in and close that top, standing over the pot. Baby, what you wanna know? Let the story unfold. Throw yourself another bay leaf in the gumbo. Pray you find your feet again. Stay grounded. Keep your heart where it's supposed to be. Baby, what you wanna know? Let the story unfold. Throw yourself another bay leaf in the gumbo. Like the Almighty itself, I'm here with you. I feel with you. Fire. Fire. Ain't got a wish. It's mine. Time. Yo, I wish for colorful matter. Life streams covered in love, to swim fast toward the rapid of waves. The pain cripples, but to stand still in the still water seems easy. If you stay submerged, you can sink deeply. The feast weekly while time digests repeated unrebutted love, cause we tend to keep the real granted for real damage from surreal vantage. The pills vanish when it's God that reveals your concealed presence. Kill weapons, heal destiny, feel. I saw my people survive, I saw my people was killed. I saw potential paper like a lumberjack, but me changing who I am cost a pretty penny. My integrity, life force, my niggas with me. We going crazy for the track, but forget the MIDI. The strange fruit on that element tree is really elementary. It's all God.